Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the remaining question of chapter number 5, that is AP. In this, the question number 9 is, statement of 9 question is, if the third and ninth term of AP are, that is we have third term 4 and ninth term is man said, which term of AP is 0? This means AN is 0 and we are required to find n. As we know, A3 is A plus 2D. Value of A3 is 4, A plus 2D. This is question number 1. And value of A9, A plus 8D. A9 is man said, A plus 8D. This is the second question. Second man's first. Man said man's 4. Man's 12. This A cancel out. 80 man's 2D is 60. So D is equal to man's 2. When we put the value of D in question number 1, this is man's 2. So 4 is equal to A man's 4 and A is A. In this, AN is equal to A plus n man's 1 into D. AN is 0, A is A. N man's 1 and value of D is man's 2. So this is A man's 2n plus 2. So 10 equals to 2n, n is equal to 5. So the number of terms which make the sum of which makes an equal to 0 is n equal to 5. In question number 10, the 17th term exceeds the 10th term by 7. This means the 17th term of an AP is 7 more than its 10th term. If we add 7 in the 10th term, then these two terms are equal. As we know, A17 is A plus 16D and A10 is A plus 9D. When we put value here, A plus 16D, A10 is A plus 9D plus 7. This A cancel out. 16D minus 9D equals to 7. So 7D equal to 7, D equals to 1. This means the common difference of this AP is 1. In question number 11, the statement is, which term of AP, this is the AP, is 132 more than its 54th term. In this AP, A is 3, common difference is 12. We are required to find A54. A54 is A plus 53D. A is 3, 53 into 12. This is 3 plus 36, 60. This is 639. We are required to find a term which is 132 more than this. This means AN is A54 plus 132. As we know, AN is A plus n minus 1 into D. This is 639. So value of A is 3, n minus 1 and D is 12. This is 7. This is 1, 7, 7, 1. So n minus 1 into 12 equal to 768. N minus 1 is 768 by 12. 12, 6, 72 and 12, 4. This is n is equal to 65. So 65th term of this AP is more than 132 than its 54th term. In the next question, question number 12 is, two AP have same common difference. This means A plus B, A plus 2D up to so on, and A dash plus B, A dash plus 2D. These are the two APs in which the common difference is D. The question is the difference between their 100 term. We first find the 100 term of this AP, which is A plus 90, 90, and 100 term of which is a dash plus 990. In this question we have a100 dash equals to 100. When we put the value of a100 90 value this a dash minus 90 equals to 100. These are cancelled out, so a minus a dash is 100. We are required to find the difference between its 1000 term. A1000 dash, A1000 dash, this is A. So this is A plus 999B minus A dash 999B. This is cancelled out. So this is A minus A dash, A minus A dash, which is equal to 100. So the difference between their 1000 term is also 100. In the next question, the statement is, how many 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 7? As we know, the first 3-digit number is 100, which is not divisible by 7. 101, no, 2, 3, 4, 5. 105 is the first number which is divisible by 7, 3-digit number. 117, 190, and the last one is, as we know, last 3 digits, 4 digits, 7 1, this is 3, 28, 20, this is 14, and remainder is 6. When we subtract 1000 minus 6, we get 994. So 994 is the last 3-digit number which is divisible by 7. In this, A is 105, B is 7, and AN is 994. So AN is A plus n minus 1 into D, 994. A is 105, n minus 1, D is 7, 994. n minus 1 into 7 equals to 994 minus 105. So n minus 1 into 7, 14 minus 5 is 9. This is 8. So n minus 1 is 8, 9 by 7. This is 7, 1, 7, 2, 7. So n is 128. So 128 are the 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 7. In the next question, how many multiples of 4 lies between 10 and 250? As we know, after 10 12, then 16, then 20 is the number which are multiple of 4, and last one is 248. This means before 250, 248 is the number which is divisible by, which is multiple of 4. So D is 4, AN is 248. AN is A plus n minus 1 into D, 248. Value of A is 12, n minus 1, B is 4, 248. So this is n minus 1 into 4, 248 minus 12. So n minus 1 into 4 equals to 236. n minus 1 is 236 by 4. This is 4, 5, and 36, 9. So n is equal to 60. So there are 60 numbers which are divisible by, which is multiple of 4. In the next question, the statement is, for what value of n are the nth term of AP? The first AP is 63, 65, 67, and the second AP is 3, 10, 70. We are required to find the value of n where the term of these two APs are equal. In first AP, we first find AN. So A is 63, B is the common difference which is equal to 2. AN is A plus n minus 1 into D. Value of A is 63 and B is 2. So this is 63 plus 2n minus 2, 61 plus 2n. And in second AP, this is 17, A is 3, B is 7. So and is. A is 3, n minus 1, B is 7. This is 3 plus 7 n minus 7, 7 n minus 4. When we total nth term of these two AP is equal 7 n minus 4. This is 61 plus 4, 7 n minus 2n. This is 65 equals to 5n, n is equal to 13. So 13 term of these two APs are equal. Thanks.